Hi, I'm Caroline, trichologist at Absolique. We talk a lot about ferritin, so we're looking at iron studies. So we can have iron deficiencies, we can have moving iron studies, but most commonly what we find is we've got ferritin deficiencies. So we put together what we call food for ferritin, which you can email us for a copy, and it's just telling you or sharing with you how in each meal you can get the right combination of foods to best raise the ferritin levels to a safe zone for hair growth. But also we have to be aware of heme iron, non-heme iron. We've got a lot of different groups of people who eat differently, so we may be vegan or vegetarian, and that can still deliver the ferritin, but it's all about how you combine the right food. So it's a very interesting guide. So following on from that, we've actually put together a food for ferritin little recipe booklet. So when you're starting on this journey, you might be thinking, well, what is it? Can I eat? This is just so hard because a lot of us are eating void foods. So this recipe guide, it just helps you to get started. So they're really simple meals. We've made it gluten-free, we've made it for vegetarians, we've made it for vegans. So whichever recipe there is, there's an option for you. So we're talking about your snacks, your breakfasts, your lunches, and also your dinners. So it's a really nice, easy guide just to get you started. We offer information like this for free because we're here to help you obviously with your hair growth. We don't just want to use supplements, so we're helping you to make diet and lifestyle changes as well as addressing direct deficiency. So don't just think I can eat food for ferritin if you don't actually know if you have a ferritin deficiency or how low it is. Sometimes we need to use a combination. So to get that information, you can email me. So we start off with the correct diagnosis and we look at what's happening to your hair, your health, and also your internal blood system levels, so we know what to do, and then we just have this information to assist. So we've got food for ferritin recipes, and we've also got food for ferritin. You can email me at info@absolique.com.au and request one or both, and it's free information for you. Also happy to share your hair loss or hair thinning story, so we can help you in that way as well. Thank you.